Hi.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the Primeval World and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a
Remain seated at all times, please.
hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails.
Alright everyone, we're going to be now approaching to New Orleans Square. This is going to be the area to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, Tiana's Bayou Adventure, The Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, Haunted Mansion, Pirates of the Caribbean, Snakes on the Mountain, Indiana Jones, Jungle Cruise, and much more. Just please make sure to remain seated until the train makes a full stop at the station. And once again, this will be your closest stop to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square.
Hi everybody, watch yourself.
They're going up that way.
To those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're now entering the Bayou, home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Take a sneak peek at the big party Princess Tiana is throwing, where the welcome is warm, the music is hot, and the company is sweet as honey. Sweetness. As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. There is the revered Indian shaman, sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below. People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams, and the stories that went with them, were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Alright everyone, we're going to be now approaching to Toontown Depot. It's going to be the area 2, making a mini Promenade Railway. We'll on to other parts of space. Chip and Dale Catch and Go Coaster. There's a small Horn Bob Bus, Alice in Wonderland, Peter Pan's Flight, and much more. This place makes us remain seated until the camping on full stop at the station. Welcome everybody right here at the Fantasyland Theater. We do have our show, Louie's Best Day Ever. You're welcome to see Louie and Nico at the Fantasyland Theater. The show just started in just a few moments ago, so I think you'll be able to still make it. If not, the next showing will be at 12:20.
This tunnel signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of pier, the ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown. Archer Pond, where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney animated characters and stories. If you're leaving us here, please wait until the train comes to a full stop. Remember your personal belongings and step carefully from the train. Have fun and say hi to Mickey and Minnie. Those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is Toontown Depot, Mickey's Toontown.
Everybody watch the stuff. Wait for the larger opening for safety. Good luck, everyone. Get everything to Tomorrowland.
Safe ride. Remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto its small world just below us. And off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star stations, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autobahn. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you.
Inside the diorama first we are under refurbishment, so there's no dinosaurs and no Grand Canyon at this time. And please do not use any funds on the or any fuel waiting, please. Thank you.
We have some friends that lived over there.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the Primeval World, land of the dinosaurs.
Alright everybody, we're going to be now arriving at Main Street Gym. Please make sure to remain seated until the train makes a full stop in 7 stations. This is going to be the area to Disney California Adventure, Downtown Disney, the Disneyland Hotel, Trams, to make your friends price structure, the Main Street Shop, and more. Once again, friends, please make sure to remain seated until the train makes a full stop. And also a friendly reminder, the station is stairs only. Once again, everybody, the station is stairs only. There are no ramps and no elevators. Anyone have any children or wheelchairs, please be careful as you reach the bottom of the stairs. Thank you, everybody, for tuning to Disneyland Railroad.
Getting off? No. Okay, we're gonna get off.
Come on, Trey.